Hi, I'm Jordan, one of the founders of Intelligo, and I'm going to show you how to log into an event that you've previously registered for on the platform. I've gone to the event homepage by typing in demo.intelligo.uk or whatever the event URL is. I can then simply click Login, fill out my email address and password, select the Remember Me button if I don't want to have to enter this information the next time I come to the event, and then I click the Login button. There's also a Forgot Your Password button here just in case you can't remember what you signed up with. So let's click Login. As an admin of the platform, I can go to my admin dashboard. However, as an attendee, I can just click through and enter the main event. And here we are at the home page for the event.